Guys, welcome to my home garage. This is a quick tutorial video on replacing the windscreen of my Hayabusa. This is from the factory. I have been planning to replace this one with a chrome windshield since really long. Finally, I have managed to get my hands on it. Let me show you how the new windshield looks. Basically, I was looking for a chrome windshield with the same shape as the company one. Difference is this thing has got a little bubble on the top, but it almost resembles the company shape. As it is very clearly visible, the stock visor is mounted inside a groove in this fairing, and it is intact with this two bolts which you can see on either side. These are not just the bolts running across this frame. It is a bolt that goes inside a rubber sleeve. This rubber sleeve basically is going all the way inside this part. Like, it is not visible from the back side, but it holds it goes through the visor. For removing these panels, we are going to start with removing the pin locks on the other sides. Just need to push them with a small screwdriver. We basically need to get this long panel out of its place. So after this fastener, I need to remove this one at the bottom, and similarly the other one on the other side. Perfect. Slow and smooth. Second one out. I'm going to quickly push this in. Nice. Here you go. Perfect. So far we have got 2 bolts and 6 fasteners in total. This bottom panel is restricting me a lot to work on this thing. So I suppose I'm not going to take risk by bending it a lot and trying to get this thing off. Let me try if I can just remove this bolt and get this bottom panel off. It should be easy for me to access this top panel. Finally I managed to get this thing off. Damn, it was a tough job. Bloody back looking thing. There are two of these. Now please come out easily. Everything has been put back together. The top panel, bottom panel, all the fasteners are in their place. There's no gap anywhere, such a perfect fit. Time to reveal how this thing looks from the front.